All right, guys, look how cute my sweater is. I'm loving it. Feeling all Christmassy today. And we are headed off this morning to go to the girls' school Christmas program. And look how cute they are. Hey, Essie, let me see you. Oh, you're so cute. Look, your boots match Mommy's boots. Hey, what's this thing chasing us? Where are we going?
The program.
To the program? At the big kids school? You gotta go to the elementary school to do it, huh?
Are you gonna go sing today?
All right, Indy Mae just ran right to Uncle Oakwood and gave him a big love.
Come on, baby.
We got Grandma here. The girls are all getting out of the car. They're so excited. Indy, what are you gonna do? What are we at? Where are we?
High five.
Christmas program?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do it. Come on, girls, over here.
Climb all the way up.
All right, these girls are going up. There's Miss Frost.
Up the top.
Oh my goodness. I'm so proud of you girls. It's so exciting. Oh, Miss Frost, that's a perfect photo op. Thank you.
Girls, go crazy. Go crazy like this. Go crazy. Wave your hands in the air and go crazy.
Can you go like this? Yeah. Yeah. Look at Ezzy. She doesn't ever like to be in the limelight. Look at her sweet thing.
Indy, go crazy.
Girls, you look so cute. Oh my goodness, you look like an elf. Are you an elf, Evie? We got Evie, then Scarlett, then Indy, then Esme.
Ezzy.
Yeah.
Hi, Ezzy.
What? Oh my gosh, she's singing this song. Are you dressed up like an elf? Yeah. Indy, are you dressed up like an elf? Yeah. Did you get a scratch right there? Oh, darn it. That's okay. Do you want Mom to fix it? Yeah.
Jingle all the way, all the fun the rest of
Is this what you're going to sing for us today? Okay, girls, Mom's going to go sit down. Let's pull your hat down. Mom's going to go sit down, okay? Pull your shirt. Hey, put your shirt down. Why is there always one kid that does that? Okay, I want you girls to sing really big for me, okay?
Girls First Christmas show. This is so cool.
It is so cute, and we were up there, and I was like trying to get video of them, and Evie was just up there singing at the top of her lungs all the songs. It was so
She's got her hat
cute.
pulled down so far. She's so cute.
They are adorable. I just cannot wait to watch all of this. They're just waving at us. They're waving at us.
on your chair.
I'm so proud of you. Thank you. Girls, you did awesome. Give me vibes. Yeah. Can I have vibes? Scarlett. Scarlett, Daddy. Oh, Mrs. Frost gave you candy cane.
One more, Mrs. Frost.
Oh, one more. Sorry.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, Miss Frost, we had our own candy cane. Okay. Mimi, a love. Mimi came. Oh. You did so good. Abby just said I thanked you. Okay. Hey, let's take a picture with Charlie.
Hi.
You want to take a picture? Let's take a picture with Charlie. Wants a picture with Charlie. Go take a picture. Take a picture with Charlie. Right here, Ezzy. Where are you? You stand here. Thank you. Ezzy here. Like right here. Go get the picture with Charlie. Scarlett, right next to Charlie. Get the camera right here. Everyone's very close to watch you. Good job.
Cute girls. Good job.
This is for the presents. Yes, that was so cute. Oh, pictures just Mimi and Papa. Now with Mom and Dad. All right.
Charlie. That's cute.
Charlie. All right, you guys, that Christmas play was so cute. I loved watching the girls, and they just totally were singing those songs. And well, most of the songs, let's be honest. It was so cute, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. And I'm glad that we have all this awesome family here that comes to support. Oakland even brushed his hair for the event.
Hey, that was important.
Is it not working?
How come you did so good? You sang so good. How did you know all those songs?
Good.
Because you did? Have you been learning them in school?
Look, we gotta catch up too.
Oh, look, we gotta catch up, guys.
Mommy.
Okay, I'll hold your hand. I love you.
There's my girl.
Who is it? Papa. All right, guys, so the girls did so good at their performance. Dad might be a little bit hangry. He gets a little hangry when he's really, really hungry, and he is. We decided to bring the girls to lunch at JCW's, and because they wanted a hangover. Hey, you ran away without your coat on because you just wanted Papa, huh? Yeah, Mama got it for you. Hey! That's where Mommy rides. Get off.
No.
That's my spot. No, that's my maniash.
What?
Oh, hey, thank you, sir.
You are welcome.
Hey, that is my Papa. Hey, Evie, what did you order?
A hamburger.
A hangover?
I like a corn dog.
You like Hangaga. Look what Mimi got. Oh. Say thank you.
All right, everybody's got their lunch. Evie's going keto today. She's totally lost her bun, going totally keto. Everybody's, we actually put all the kids over here with Mimi and Papa. That's a win-win. They love it, we love it. Of course, Esme snuck back over here, though. What happened? I thought you were sitting by Mimi and Papa. Okay, you can.
Alright, well, you guys, me and Ash and Tyson have had a great lunch over here by ourselves because all the girls demanded to eat with Mimi and Papa. We were okay with that. Are you? They were okay with it too. These girls love their Mimi and Papa. A newacorn? I think that's P.F. Chang's and I think it's a horse. But I like calling it a newacorn. Are you girls ready? What are we going to do?
Shopping!
Shopping!
All
Alright, you guys, so Tyson found out that Bath & Body Works was having a sale on soaps. So of course we came down to the mall. Oh, we are! Hi! And Daddy Ash, you know That's awesome!
What's your name? Is it
Mia!
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 Yeah, I like watching all your boxes. They live in Utah.
Oh, yeah!
Look at this.
That was so fun running into followers. We love it when you guys come up and say hi to us. The thing that like hurts my heart the most is when after we've been somewhere, someone will private message me like, I saw you at Costco or I saw you at the mall, but I didn't say hi. And I'm like, why? Come say hi to us. It's always so fun for us. Oh, Disney store. Oh, what are you finding?
Tinkerbell!
Okay, remember we don't touch. Just
Tinkerbell.
look.
Oh, they want to look, Daddy.
Okay, just look. Don't.
That Tinkerbell.
I know, I'm afraid of a Jenga situation where they're
Dominoes?
gonna pull one and it's just gonna go.
You want to buy one of those?
Oh,
Oh, well, I think you might need to ask Santa for
They have a
those.
horsey one over here. Come on.
Oh. Andy just said, I'd like to buy that. I want to buy this with you.
Castle.
Look at her hugging all the toys. She is just like me.
No way.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I loved toys as a kid. Like, they were so magical. I love seeing the girls love these. Anna, of course, Indy chooses Anna.
I like to be Moana. Look,
Oh wow, we found something that's got them all excited.
Hey, look at how pretty this Elsa
This is
dress
gorgeous. Wow. I've never seen one like that. I think Santa needs to bring that one, Mama. Oh, what? Oh my gosh. What did we find, girls? Teeny Nana. What did you get? Oh my gosh, Rapunzel. What? What? Oh, wow. There's Minnie. Wow, there's a lot of Mickeys and Minnies there.
She's picking up stacks of
Oh my
clothing.
gosh.
Oh, she wants to show Daddy the skeleton.
Oh, you know your daddy, don't you? You're so cute.
She's singing that.
What did you find, babe? Oh, it's Nemo. Or except for that's not Nemo. Who's that?
That's Joey.
Dory. Okay, they're literally packing their arms full. Scarlett, how many do you have? 4? Indy's trying to hold 2. This is too much. Oh my gosh.
Every time she sees something goes oh! She's so excited.
Andy, look.
How do we break it to them that this is all coming at Christmas?
Look, Dad. Can I have this one?
Yeah, look, I'm gonna.
Can I have 2?
Okay, you hold
Can I
it,
have
and Daddy's
2?
gonna take a picture of it to send to Santa. Let me see.
We're gonna send it to Santa.
Okay, hold that one up. Let me see it.
Look at this.
She is seriously so sad. She just had to put that back. Look at her face. She wants that. Aw, Indy. I think you've been a really good girl this year. We'll see if Santa brings it, okay? Aw, Santa might have to bring that for her. Look at her. She's so sad. Come here, Indy. She's so sad.
Okay,
Mine.
no, not that one.
All right, guys.
But Daddy, we love.
I'm gonna find one.
But Daddy, we love green.
Come here, girls. We don't want that one.
All right, Dad's going crazy. They have 5 for $23
Okay, hold on, girls.
soaked.
Wait for Daddy to show you, okay?
So he's loading up all the girls.
Let's switch.
I want this one for me.
She likes that one for her.
Yeah, we
Dad.
need the winter candy.
She snapped out of it when we gave her a
Yeah.
shopping bag. She was okay. Okay, look at Scarlett. She's just loading her bag full. What do you have? A bag full?
Yes.
What do you have, Ev?
That's heavy.
Let's look in there.
I think that's heavy.
I was not expecting a full day away from the house and the camera battery just died. So now you guys get iPhone footage again. We'll get a hang of this, I promise.
Carrying it on my neck. No way.
I'm carrying it on my neck.
Okay,
is what
ready?
Andy just
Put yours up there. Let's see yours, baby. Thank you. Okay.
Good job, girls. Hey, who still has Mimi's necklace on?
Double check and make sure we.
Ev, are you making sure that she brings everything up right? Yeah.
Help me uphill.
Okay. All right. All these girls got their own bags. Daddy's all stocked up on
It's
soap.
too heavy.
It is too heavy. What? Who is it?
Look, Frosty the Snowman. Frosty Snowman.
Yeah. Alright guys, we've had so much fun hanging out with you guys today. We started off with the Christmas program, then lunch, and now some fun Christmas shopping at the mall. We are all ready. Oh, the girls are gonna get up and take a look at this big huge horse.
Hold on to his leg. Hold on.
Aw, Andy!
No? Come here, girl.
He's giving the horsey a love. Oh, they all want to get up there. Aw, cute girls! Are you giving the horsey loves? Oh, did you bump your head?
Jump. I'll catch you.
Good job, girls. All right, guys, we've had so much fun hanging out with you guys today. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and we will see you guys tomorrow.